Clearing snow from driveways and sidewalks can be a tiring daily chore in winter. Traditional shovels demand significant effort, often causing fatigue. Electric snow shovels provide a modern, efficient solution that is ideal for small to medium tasks. Compact and lightweight, they make snow removal quicker and easier without the bulk of traditional snowblowers. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 best electric snow shovels and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 6. SnowJoe Cordless Snow Shovel. Snowblowers and electric snow shovels can be quite noisy, so if you're hoping to be productive without disturbing your neighbors or your child's nap time, we recommend the SnowJoe 24-volt Ion Plus 13-inch cordless snow shovel. Setup is extremely simple, as we found during testing. You simply charge the battery to full capacity and connect the 2-part handle together. The setup takes less than 5 minutes. Just be mindful that the power cord goes inside the handle. Once you have it set up, you're ready to start snow shoveling. This shovel has great clearing capabilities, up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Plus, the scraper blade is sharp and won't pop off, meaning you get a clear path after just one pass. It also features a wide main handle and a large secondary handle to help you keep a tight grip. During testing, we found this shovel lasts about 30 minutes, is extremely lightweight, and quite possibly the best feature. It's much quieter than your typical snowblower. The battery pack on this shovel is easy to connect and disconnect when charging, but we don't like the charging time, up to 5 hours for full charge. The battery pack also makes this shovel top-heavy since it is situated under the handle, but it's still easy enough to push. Number 5. Super Handy Cordless Snow Thrower. A lightweight power shovel is a great option not only for its usability, but also for storage too. This model from Super Handy packs a punch in a small frame, which is perfect if you're short on garage storage. Although it has a smaller coverage area, 10 inches wide by 5 inches deep, this snow shovel can throw up to 300 pounds of snow per minute at up to 25 feet away. It weighs about 10 pounds, the lightest option on our list, making it the perfect tool to pull out after the weather clears quickly. Plus, it has an adjustable pole that can telescope between 46 and 54 inches tall. The pole also splits into 2 parts, so you can easily store this snow shovel in a crawl space or small closet. This model is slightly more expensive than the larger ones throughout this roundup, but its unique design justifies the added expense. Who knew that productivity and comfort could be delivered in such a small package? Number 4. Greenworks Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless model from Greenworks has a 45-minute battery life, which allows homeowners with larger driveways who might benefit from a heated driveway or walkways to easily clear light snow on just one charge. This electric snow shovel features a button start with just one speed, making it simple to use. We also like the ergonomic handle that's designed to relieve back strain during long periods of use. We would prefer to see a diverter like our best throwing capability pick has included at this price. It just throws snow straight ahead, which isn't ideal. While the 80-volt battery is sure to offer enough power for most light snowfalls, we wish it had an adjustable speed setting or other unique feature to help justify the steep expense. It's still a solid no-frills electric snow shovel though. Number 3. Toro Power Shovel 60-volt. If you're looking for a cordless shovel worth the high price tag, this model from Toro is worth it, in our opinion. It has enough battery power to run for up to 45 minutes and only needs 1 hour to completely recharge, which is enough time to step inside for some hot cocoa if you're between portions of your sidewalk and driveway. We loved that this shovel arrived at our door already assembled, huge time saver, and all we had to do was charge the battery before beginning to shovel. We found that you don't even really need the instructions. The shovel is very intuitive and easy to operate. The one-touch button system and adjustable 2-speed switch make this shovel easy to use and understand, so there are no surprises while operating. It is rather heavy though, the second heaviest option on our list, so it may be tiring to use for extended periods. Similar to our best overall pick, this shovel's battery can also be used across Toro's suite of 60-volt flex force tools, like cordless leaf blowers and hedge trimmers, which is super convenient if you already own tools and additional batteries from the brand. Number 2. Earthwise Power Tools. 12-inch corded snow shovel. This electric snow shovel from Earthwise is our favorite budget pick. It's about $300 less than our best overall, the Ego Power Plus multi-head snow shovel, but it provides the same 12-inch snow clearance and 25-foot throwing distance. It's a plug-in model, so you will need a weatherproof extension cord, but the powerful motor is strong enough to clear large areas of newly fallen snow. We love that the Earthwise shovel is so lightweight and powerful, but we suggest using it as soon as possible after new snowfalls since it can struggle with hard snow, and the plastic components can break when struck against ice. This electric snow shovel works best if you have easy access to an outdoor power outlet, especially if you already have a cold weather extension cord. If you don't, you'll need to buy a long extension cord that's weatherproof and rated for cold temperatures. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Multi-Head Snow Shovel Kit. The Ego Power Plus Multi-Head Snow Shovel won our best overall pick. It's a powerful model with a smooth speed trigger, adjustable snow throwing angle, and a universal power head. It efficiently cleans an entire 4-car driveway in just minutes, according to Ego. During our testing, we thought the setup was a breeze. Each piece slid smoothly into its corresponding place, and once we got it set up, it was incredibly intuitive and easy to operate. One of the best parts? It comes with multiple head attachments. This all-encompassing shovel eliminates the need for other shovels or snow-blowing equipment, saving some serious space in your garage. This electric snow shovel is operated by pushing, and you can adjust the speed with a simple trigger on the top to find the best setting for your snow plowing needs. It can easily tackle up to 6 inches of snow on a 4-car driveway with one battery charge, which we are super impressed by. You can direct snow exactly where you want it to go in your yard with the adjustable knob, and it throws snow an impressive 25 feet. You'll need Ego's battery to operate this snow shovel, which powers the brand's edge trimmer attachment, cultivator, pole saw, and more. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.